Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make a photo in Instagram story post. Do you know or not, but Instagram now allows its users to take a picture in Instagram story post and consequently make it more unique. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Go to Instagram Home tab, swipe right or click on the Your Story icon in the top left corner of your screen. Once the camera window opens, take a photo, record a video, or upload a visual from your camera roll. Hit the sticker icon at the top of your screen. Select the sticker with a camera icon. Now take a photo of yourself, so press on the button. If you tap the photo, you will be able to change a border. What is more, you can edit your story post by adding emojis, GIFs, animated stickers, writing or drawing something. When your story post is ready, click on the Send To button and share it on your story. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make a photo in Instagram story post. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.